Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the Battery Tender Junior coming from DelTran. Alright, so if you're watching this video, chances are you are shopping for a battery charger. Now we all know that when it comes to batteries, it is very important that you charge and you maintain them properly. If you overcharge or leave a charge too low on a battery for an extended period of time, that can decrease the battery's lifespan. It's also very important that depending on the battery that you have will dictate the type of charger that you will need. So make sure to look at your battery, look at the instructions, look at your owner's manual for your machine. That way you know the exact type of charger that you will need, because we do have a lot of different chargers they can choose from. But today we'll talk about this Battery Tender Junior. We'll talk about some of the features of it and who this is going to be good for. So the Battery Tender Junior is a 750 milliamp 12 volt charger. And keep in mind, this isn't just for motorcycles. There's a lot of different applications that you can use this charger for. So let's say you have a motorcycle, ATV, UTV, a watercraft, really any of your smaller vehicles that have a 12 volt battery, this will work for. Now also keep in mind that this is going to be designed for your lead acid or your flooded or sealed maintenance-free batteries only. So if you have a lithium battery, you're probably going to want to go with a lithium charger. That's why I say look at your instructions to know what type you are going to need. But what's nice about this charger? One, it's a battery tender, which means once you plug it in, it will bring your battery to a full charge. Once your battery reaches a full charge, it will then go to a float mode where it maintains it at a proper voltage for long-term storage, which they say is a lot better than a trickle charger. A trickle charger, they say, can boil dry and eventually overcharge your battery if it's left on too long. So that's why they say for long-term storage, a battery tender is definitely the route to take. So if you're a rider where you don't use your machine for longer periods of time, maybe you start for the winter months, then a battery tender or this one's going to be a really good option. So you have an LED indicator light here on the front, so once it's plugged in, it's charging, it will be red. Once it reaches a full charge, it will then change colors to let you know you've reached that full charge mode. And like I said, it will then go to the float mode. Now when it comes to connecting it, this is what I like. Small charger, lightweight, so it's going to be easy to store, easy to pack with if you do want to take it. 12 feet of length on the cord, so they give you plenty of length once you have it plugged into the wall. But also what is nice about this is that you have two different ways to connect this to your battery. They have a quick connect on here. So you have your alligator clips, pretty standard, but then you also have these ring terminal leads. So what's great about these is that if you have a battery on your machine that's kind of hard to get to, maybe you have to remove your seat, takes a little bit of work to get to the battery to charge it, but what you can do is just connect these ring terminal leads. Once you have those connected, you can just route the cord to make the cord easily accessible. And then when it comes time to plug in the charger, well, all you have to do is just connect this quick disconnect, and then when it's fully charged, you can just pull it apart and you're good to go. So I do like that they do have a couple different options for you. These are going to be spark proof and reverse polarity protected, and what I like about DelTran chargers is that they come with a 5-year warranty. So again, if you have a traditional lead acid battery or a flooded sealed maintenance free battery, you're looking for a battery charger that's going to charge but also tend your battery, well, this would be a really good option. If you guys have any other questions about it, leave your questions, your comments below. But also, when it comes to batteries, we have a great maintenance video where we show you how to activate and fill your battery. So make sure to give that a watch if you're not quite sure. If you do have questions, like I said, leave those below. We'll get those answered. To pick up your charger, it is very simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Don't forget, orders over $75 ship free. While you're there, check it out. We have a lot of different chargers and battery options to choose from. So if you're looking for those, we're going to have it for you. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.